everyone, welcome back to my channel Dare to Glow. I'm Bella. In today's video I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite makeup tools. In the last video I did a top 5 favorite brushes, but in today's video it's going to be essentially the accessories that would go with them. So this is part of a top 5 favorite series. Stay tuned for the next few episodes of more top 5 favorites. Now let's get started. So my first favorite makeup tool is definitely this Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Mat and the Sig Magic shampoo that goes with it. How I used to clean my brushes was more time consuming. What I mean is I would just buy Head and Shoulders and stick my brushes under the sink and kind of squeeze out all the products, and it would take forever and it was gross and the bristles were all like out of whack afterwards. But with this mat, it actually has different sections for different brushes. So in one section, for example, wash eyes, you can wash your smaller eye brushes, and then right above it you have rinse eyes. So you'll do the shampoo part here and the water part here. So it tells you exactly what to do on the mat. There's also a video tutorial on the Sigma website, and you just need one small pump of the shampoo. You can even like share, so you don't need to pump every time you clean a new brush. So I love it. And the mat is $35 and the shampoo is $19 on the Sigma website. And you can get it for cheaper if you sign up for their email subscriber program. They give you a coupon right away and they have weekly deals, so definitely sign up for that. My next favorite makeup tool is this Jcat dry makeup brush cleaner. I've talked about this in so many of my videos. When I am switching up eyeshadows in different looks, it's easier to clean it in this sponge. I don't have a big set of brushes, so I use this to repeat brushes with different colors. To use it, you pick a brush that has powder on it, you'll just swirl it right there, and that's it. You can pick a new color. I clean this with, you can clean it with any soap, but I use the same Sigma shampoo. And it's pretty small, so you can travel with it and use it every day, all the time. It is only $5.99 at Ulta. My next favorite makeup tool is this Ulta Beauty pencil sharpener. Why it's so cool is 2 reasons. One, it has 2 sized pencils that it can sharpen with. So maybe one for eyeliner and one for lip liner, for example. And the other best part is that it has a shaving container in the bottom, so you don't have to like sharpen over the trash can. You just sharpen and don't worry about it. And that's only $2.50 on the Ulta Beauty website. My next favorite tool is the Mount Lay Jade Face Roller. It looks like this. I use it to drain, depuff, massage all parts of my face. It has a big roller on this side and a little roller on this side, so that it slides a bit easier on the face. I'll apply a rose oil first. For example, this Pixie one that you can get at the drugstore. I think it's like maybe 20-ish or maybe less. but I'll smooth that on my face and then I can start rolling. This big side is for the bigger parts of the face, such as the cheeks or the eyebrow, forehead, and then this smaller side is for the smaller parts, like in between your eyebrows, your nose. You can do under your eyes too. You can do your neck as well. Any area you feel you need to depuff. I like to store it in the fridge because along with depuffing and draining, a cooling effect on your face feels so good. It makes a great stress reliever, beginning of the day, end of the day. It also helps with wrinkles. That's why you roll it on your forehead or under your eyes. And it's available at Sephora for $34. Last but not least is my top, use it every day, can't live without tool. And that's the Betty Dane Makeup Protector Hood. I had never heard of this, but my mom gave it to me randomly. Thanks, Mom. So you know how when you put on a shirt and you suddenly look down and it has makeup all over it? Well, this will solve that problem. I'm going to admit I have a huge head. I cannot avoid this problem. Every single shirt I have requires me to wear this hood. So I keep it in my closet. You can also keep it in your purse. Let's say you're in the dressing room at the mall and you don't want to get makeup on the shirt you're trying on. You can just pull out this handy dandy hood, put it on, and then your shirt goes over it, and that's it. It not only protects clothes, it of course protects your makeup from getting messy. So if you just put it on and then you want to put your outfit on afterwards, put this on first. It's machine washable and it's only $11 on Amazon. I will be linking all these products in the description below. Everything is super affordable, under $40 actually, and all available online and in store too. So those were my top 5 favorite tools. I hope you discovered something new. If you have never heard of these products before, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial of how to use them. For example, the Jade roller or the brush cleaner. I'd be happy to do separate videos on those. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos in this top 5 mini series. Until next time, bye!